Of course, Feisty is going to always get cat food because there's no way I'm going to let him do without. But I did order something different for him for Christmas, and I figured I'd let him try it to see if he likes it. Okay, so it's been almost 2 hours. Let's see. Well, he has been working on it. Okay, so it's been almost 3 hours now, and that's about as much as he normally eats when he eats a Shiba, so I guess maybe he does like it. He's just taking a little bit longer to test it out and eat it. This flavor, this is the new one that I just bought for him for Christmas to try because I want to give him a different variety, and we'll see if he likes this kind. Yeah, I think he's ready to try it. But I normally take the little cups after I empty out the food into his plate, and I add a little bit of water to the little cup, and then I pour it over top of his food. Oh, he's wet. He's ready. Look. He's ready to try it. Huh? See, he always prefers to lick the juices first. Okay, you are so funny. All right, I'm going to come back in a few minutes to see if he's eating any more of the food. Okay, so it's been a little over an hour. Let's see how he has made progress. Not much. So it seems to me like he prefers his original Shiba pate. And that he does not like the savory chicken entree. Or this particular items. So I guess I'm just going to stick with the one that I know he prefers.